HTML is a markup language that expresses the meaning and structure of web content. HTML code ensures the proper formatting of text and images so that the internet browser display them as they are intended to look. Without HTML, a browser would not know how to display text as elements or load images or other elements. So the HTML is we will use it to add headings, paragraphs, forms, and images, and so on. And it's really important because it will give you the possibility to learn other skills such as the CSS, which is the cascading styling sheet, which we will use it to style the appearance of the web page. We will use it to change the color, the fonts, control the size of the image, and so on. So HTML have HTML elements, as I told you, headings, paragraphs, and images, and so on. And in this course, I will give you, or I will give you just the essential HTML elements that you will find. You will find this in other projects that you will make or learn. So here, this is the presentation of an HTML element. It has an opening tag and a closing tag, and what goes between it is the element's content. So here I have the Visual Studio Code. I will have a p paragraph, and here I will write this is a content. So I can write it without the HTML elements. So this is a content. So let's make it here, and let's see the difference. So as you can see here, it's the same, but for us there is a huge difference, and it's not appropriate to have a text without an HTML code. We need this because first we will have a proper coding in our web page, and also it will facilitate the work for the search engines to understand the content of the web page in order to rank it. So using HTML is really essential. Now we will see the HTML elements attributes. It will add additional information about an element. So all HTML elements can have attributes. So as an example here, I have the image HTML elements, and you can see the difference. We don't have the closing tag because this you will see it in some of the HTML elements, and we call them inclusive tag, that they don't have the closed tag as we saw in the p HTML elements. So here we have the name of the attribute and its value. So let's check in the HTML or in our code. Here I have this background image, and I want it to appear in our web page. So here I will use the image, and we have the source, and as you can see, this attribute is mandatory. It's really important and essential. Without it, we cannot have an image even if we wrote this code. So here I will add the path of the image, and let's check. As you can see, we have it right now here. And for the alt, it will define an alternative text description of the image. So as an example, if I entered a wrong part of the image, we cannot find it here. So what I want to have, if I have a wrong path, I can, as an example, tell the browser that there is an image. So here, and as you can see, it's there, but we added a wrong path. So once I will add it here, the alt will disappear. So this is the attributes, and we will find it and we will use it a lot. And as you can see, HTML is really important, and I will try in this section of the HTML to give you just the essential HTML elements that you will find in our projects and also in other projects that you will work on.